Hello students, today we are going to solve second numerical of stopping sight distance. Question is given as if the design speed is 80 km per hour, perception reaction time is 3 seconds and coefficient of friction is 0.5, the safe stopping sight distance is. Now we know that the stopping sight distance will be equals to 0.278 V into TR plus V square upon 254 F plus minus S. Now here the design speed is given as 80 km per hour, so we will put the value of V as 80 and perception reaction time is given as 3 seconds, so the value of TR will be 3 here. Now V square will be equals to 80 square upon 254 into the value of F is 0.5 and the value of capital S is 0 because it is not given in the question. After solving this, we will get the answer of stopping sight distance as 117.11 meter. That will be the stopping sight distance. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.